An 18-year-old girl in Uttar Pradesh's Jalon district was allegedly sexually abused by her father for more than 4 years. Asked a friend to film her own rape to get proof and convince her mother, who refused to believe her harrowing tale. The abuse reportedly began 4 years ago when her father offered to teach her how to ride his motorcycle, but instead took her to a nearby field and allegedly raped her. The ordeal continued for the next 4 years and she finally devised a plan to gather proof against her father to produce before the police and her mother. She asked her friend to film the alleged rape from outside the room. The police have arrested the man and are now examining whether the Prevention of Child Sexual Offences Act, that's POSCO, can be applied in this case.
मेरे साथ मेरे पिताजी 4 वर्षों से यौन शोषण करते रहे लगातार। मैं अपनी बात हमेशा बताने की कोशिश करती थी घर वालों को, बट यकीन नहीं होता था क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं था इसलिए। लेकिन मैंने लास्ट टाइम अपने लिए प्रूफ कलेक्ट किया, तब मैं उनके बारे में ये सारी बातें खोल पाई।
वो यहाँ पे नर्सिंग का कोर्स कर रही है, किराए पे कमरा लेके बगौरा में। तो उसने अपने पिता की हरकतों से पीड़ित होके पिता के द्वारा सेक्स किया गया, बलात्कार किया गया उसके साथ, उसकी उसने वीडियो कैसेट तैयार की और चोरी से वीडियो कैमरा लगा के उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग कर ली और वो उसने आके पुलिस को दिखाया। थाना पे यहाँ मेरे पास आके FIR दर्ज कराई, तो उसकी FIR लिख के कानूनी कार्रवाई करके दुष्कर्मी पिता को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
Amir Haq is now joining us with more details. Amir, such a shocking case there coming in from Jalon. Did the police act in the case hastily after the girl produced the evidence? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Amir. We've lost that connection with Amir Haq over that absolutely shocking story coming in from Uttar Pradesh of a girl who was sexually abused by her own father for 4 long years, and everyone in the family, including her mother, refused to believe her till she produced evidence of that case by her own means. Amir is back with us on the phone line. Amir, you know, the police there saying that once the girl came with that video recording, they arrested the father, but were they sympathetic and did they take action immediately after the girl produced the evidence, because she had been going through this harrowing time for 4 long years already?
Well, yes, Mahab, you know, the police, thankfully in this case, seem to have taken immediate action after that video clip was produced. An absolutely horrific and shocking case here, because you know, this was something which was happening within the confines of the 4 wall, where this young girl was living with her family. Her mother and sister both refused to you know, believe her, and it was an order to which she went for 4 years at a stretch, and she finally had to engage a friend in the neighborhood to film that horrendous act. And finally, she had proof against her father. So really, you know, while speaking to the media, this girl said that she really wants to inflict the kind of pain that she's gone through on her father, that she would want him to be publicly executed, for the public to you know, kind of torture him for the kind of pain that has been inflicted on her for all these years. So, you know, you can imagine the kind of mental trauma that this girl has gone through.
Yes.
For the time being, the police is examining her medical reports, and if it is proved that she is less than of 18 years, then the Prevention of you know, Protection of Children Against Sexual Offences Act will also be applied to this entire case. For now, the erring father has been booked under Section 376 and 506, which pertains to rape and thing.
Amir Haq reporting on that case coming to light, a shocking one at that, from Uttar Pradesh.